I welcome you all. The topic discussed is projection of straight lines. Line is inclined to VP and parallel to HP. The question given is a straight line AB 60 mm long has one end A 20 mm above the HP and 25 mm in front of the VP. The line is parallel to the HP. The front view has a length of 40 mm. Find its true inclination with the VP. It is given the line is parallel to the HP. The front view has a length of 40 mm. Find its true inclination with the VP. So, the position of the given straight line is the line is parallel to one plane and inclined to the other plane. Also, the true length of the straight line is given, it is equal to 60 mm and the end point A is 20 mm above HP and 25 mm in front of VP. Now, let us draw the projection of the given straight line. Take A3 sheet, draw margin on all four sides. Write the question number. In the right bottom corner, write all dimensions are in millimeter. The question given is a straight line AB 60 mm long has one end A 20 mm above the HP and 25 mm in front of the VP. The line is parallel to the HP. The front view has a length of 40 mm. Find its true inclination with the VP. First, draw reference line XY. It is given point A is 20 mm above HP. So, front view of the point A, that is A dash, is 20 mm above XY. From reference line, measure 20 mm, mark the point as A dash. This point A dash is 20 mm above XY. It is given point A is 25 mm in front of VP. So, the top view of the point A is 25 mm below XY. From reference line, measure 25 mm, mark the point A. This point A is 25 mm below XY. Here, both the points A dash and A lie in the same projector. Now, draw a parallel line to XY from A dash and from A. It is given the front view length of the line is 40 mm. Line AB is parallel to HP. So, from the point A dash, measure 40 mm, mark the point B dash. The length between A dash and B dash is 40 mm. Here, the line A dash B dash is the front view, measures 40 mm. This line A dash B dash is parallel to XY. From the point B dash, draw a projector. This line is perpendicular to XY. It is given true length of line AB equal to 60 mm. Take your compass, measure 60 mm, center point A, cut an arc. This arc cuts the projector from B dash at a point B. Join AB, this is the top view. It measures 60 mm, that is equal to true length of the line AB equal to 60 mm. Darken the answer A dash B dash, the front view. Darken the answer AB, the top view. Now, using your protractor, measure the angle. It is equal to 48 degrees. The line AB is inclined to VP and pi is equal to 48 degrees. So, here we have drawn the front view and top view of the line and measured the true inclination of the line to VP. It is equal to 48 degrees. So, this is the solution for the given question. Thank you. Wish you all the best.